If you're a beginner who struggles with your cuticle bead because your brush is wider than the actual nail bed area, give this little hack a try. So as you can see here, my brush is slightly wider, and so when I go and pick up my bead is more like an oval than it is a round circle. When I go in and place this down at the cuticle area, I'm going to place it down sideways. This way that bead more so lives in the center of the nail. As you can see, the MakarttPro powders have a great setting time. They do set a little faster, so this bead is not going to start running on me. But also, the way that I place this bead down allows me so much time to work towards my cuticle area and kind of tap and push it up and, you know, make sure that I like the cuticle area. And this whole time, that powder is not going to start rolling into the side of my finger. This is a really, really simple way for beginners to start kind of working in with your cuticle bead, and maybe you'll stop being afraid and overwhelmed by your cuticle bead. Give this hack a try. Let us know how it worked for you. I actually really like this method. This was not the method that I learned, but I actually really like it. Look at how much time it's giving me to kind of push that into the cuticle area, and I'm tucking it under the cuticle area, and this whole time I'm not stressed about the sides leaking into the perineum area.